Hi and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to do commercial music, no copyright, or just advertisement, no copyright background music. So please subscribe and hit that like button and well, let's start with the video. Okay, here I am in Cubase. I'm going to use Cubase as my DAW. And what I have here is instances of Candy, Avenger, Virtual Guitarist, and then I'm also going to add Virtual Bassist later on. And well, let's tackle this one. Okay, here I'm starting with the drums with a plugin called Candy. From UJam, like I mentioned before. I like to start with the drums first, because then the rest is going to be a little bit easier. Okay, from time to time I'm just going to speed up the video, so that you can see the editing that I'm doing. And here I have a nice drum loop. I think it sounds very nice. Let's tackle the other stuff. Okay, here I am in Avenger, another plugin. And I'm looking for a nice ARP sound to go with that drum beat. Okay, and now I'm just going to record a very simple chord progression to go along with the beat. And here I'm just quantized the notes that I was playing in. And also correct the velocity of every note, so that I can sound more or less the same volume, but not exactly the same, but almost the same. Here we have the drum loop and then the ARP sound from Avenger. Okay, so let's hear how it sounds now. Okay, I think it sounds very nice. Okay, now I'm copying the chord progression over from the Avenger to the Virtual Guitarist. And let's find a nice sound for the guitar to go along with that. Here I try to find a nice guitar sound that will suit the drum beat and the ARP sound. Okay, I decided to go with this sound. It's called Complex Funk. Well, I think it sounds very nice. Okay, now we're going to the bass sound. We're going to Virtual Bassist, the plugin Virtual Bassist, and I'm just going to copy over the chord progression to Virtual Bassist and find a nice sound for the bass as well. Oh well, I think it sounds very nice. So now I just want to give some variation in the bass sounds and all the other sounds. Okay, now I'm just going to record some variations in the bass. Okay, now I just want to make an intro, maybe just 2 or 4 bars intro. Okay, I will start with drums, a drum roll or something to start with. Okay, here I'm just doing some variation in the drums and the guitar at the same time. Okay, here I just want to add some sound for the intro on the Avenger sound here. Okay, and here I just add a hit and a crash cymbal to end the song off. Here I'm just going to end nicely with Virtual Guitarist with the guitar, which have very nice endings. Okay, I think that's a very nice ending for the guitar. Okay, and after a little bit of editing and a little bit of mixing, now it sounds like this. Okay, and that's how I make my own background music for my YouTube videos. I hope you enjoyed it, and hope to see you next time. Thank you. See you. Bye-bye.